Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bluesky application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Now, once you open it up, just tap on the search option and then you can just type in Bluesky within the search box and start your search. Once you find the Bluesky application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Bluesky application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see an open button which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And after you open up the application, you can proceed forward with signing up to create your new account or log in to an existing one to start using the Bluesky application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bluesky application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.